Picture this. You're in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, brushing your hair, and more strands than ever end up in the sink or on your pillow. You think, this is just aging, nothing I can do. But what if it's not inevitable? What if the real issue isn't gone follicles, but a scalp that's quietly starving for better circulation and gentle nourishment? Research shows age-related thinning often ties to slowed blood flow and longer resting phases, not total loss. Today, Japan's oldest practicing doctor reveals a simple, homemade Japanese-inspired hair ritual using just 3 everyday ingredients. It's gentle, not harsh. It supports your scalp's natural renewal. Many seniors see less shedding in weeks and fuller feel over time. Stay with us. This could be the calm, consistent care your hair has been waiting for. Don't click away. This episode might change how you see your hair forever. Welcome back to the After 60 Health Signals. If you're noticing more hair in the drain or your part widening after 60, you're not alone. And it's not always permanent. In today's episode, we're exploring a gentle, traditional approach that many seniors overlook. Hair thinning doesn't happen overnight. It's often the scalp losing steady circulation and the signals for growth fading, even when you're eating right and staying active. A study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology highlights how reduced scalp blood flow and prolonged follicle resting phases drive age-related thinning, more than outright follicle death. Joining me is Japan's oldest practicing doctor, who's guided thousands through natural supportive rituals for healthier hair in later years. Doctor, ready to share this?
Absolutely, John. I'm ready. Hair is more than appearance. It's a reflection of circulation, nourishment, and the scalp's ability to renew. When thinning or shedding increases after 60, the body is signaling it needs gentle support, not force. In Japanese traditional thinking, we focus on restoring balance quietly and consistently. Today, we'll cover a simple home ritual with 3 ingredients that work together: boosting circulation, protecting follicles, and sealing in comfort. It's approachable, uses kitchen staples, and seniors often find it surprisingly effective because it's kind to aging skin.
That perspective shifts everything. Most hear hair loss after 60 and think, accept it or hide it. But you're saying it's often understandable and responsive. What makes this ritual different from aggressive products seniors try?
Exactly. Many reach for strong shampoos or treatments, thinking intensity will fix fragility. But after 60, the scalp responds better to stability, nourishment, and calm consistency than to force. Pressure and harshness can disrupt healing. Gentle care softens the scalp, improves flow, and gives follicles space to strengthen. This ritual uses onion to gently wake circulation, garlic to shield from inflammation and secure what grows, and olive oil to lock in moisture so progress lasts. Together, they create a supportive environment without overwhelming sensitive scalps. The key is preparation and patience. The process itself signals safety to the body.
I love how that reframes it as care, not battle. Let's talk ingredients. Start with the first one. Why onion, and how does it help seniors specifically?
We begin with onion because it addresses the root, poor surface circulation. Onion's natural sulfur compounds boost blood flow to sluggish follicles, delivering more oxygen and nutrients without irritation. For seniors, this gentle boost revives dormant areas. It also supports collagen around follicles, anchoring hair better, so less sheds. Many notice reduced fallout before new growth. That's the scalp stabilizing first. Onion feels familiar and non-intimidating, which helps consistency. But it opens the door. Alone, it's limited. It prepares the scalp for deeper protection and moisture.
That sequence makes sense. Less shedding as the first win builds trust. What's next? And why garlic after circulation improves?
Garlic comes second for protection. Once blood flow opens, Garlic shields follicles from low-grade inflammation and microbial stress that quietly weaken hair with age. Its sulfur, selenium, and copper reinforce follicle walls, creating a safer space so new strength holds. Prepared gently, it's nourishing, not harsh. Many assume garlic irritates, but slow infusion makes it calming. It reduces irritation seniors feel but can't name, letting follicles focus on growth instead of defense. Stability often appears before thickness. That's healing in progress.
Protection feels as vital as stimulation. And the final piece, to prevent dryness, undoing it all?
Olive oil seals everything. After circulation and support, dryness can tighten the scalp again. Olive oil's oleic acid and antioxidants reinforce the barrier, reduce water loss, and quiet residual inflammation. Supple scalp means follicles stay stable longer. Without this, gains fade between uses. Olive oil creates continuity. Scalp feels normal again. Stress drops, flow steadies. Seniors often say their scalp finally feels right before visible changes.
Beautiful layering, but preparation matters hugely. Why? And how do we get it right?
Preparation turns ingredients into true medicine or irritation. High heat damages compounds. Rushed mixing separates benefits. Gentle, slow infusion lets properties blend soothingly. Seniors underestimate how calm handling influences absorption. The nervous system affects scalp response. Prepare with intention, and the ritual becomes part of healing.
Walk us through the exact steps so viewers can follow safely at home.
Keep it simple and clean. Wash one whole onion well. Keep skin on for extra compounds. Chop roughly. Place in a clean 500 milliliters glass jar. Add 9 garlic cloves, chopped small. Releases actives gently. Pour approximately 250 milliliters fresh olive oil to cover everything. Place jar in a water bath, pot of simmering water. Warm on low heat 20 minutes. Stir occasionally, never boil. Protects compounds, avoids sharpness. Cool completely. Store in dark, cool place, 7 days for full infusion. Strain through cloth/fine sieve. Smooth oil ready. It may darken slightly and smell earthy. That's normal if not burnt. Patience keeps it gentle.
Practical and empowering. Now, application. How to maximize benefits.
Apply to scalp, not just hair, where it matters. Warm a small amount between palms. Massage lightly in circles with fingertips. No scratching. Invite flow gently. Wrap head loosely with towel. Leave several hours, or overnight if comfortable, for absorption. Body responds unrushed.
Scent concerns? How to rinse pleasantly.
Easy. Mix juice of half lemon in 1 liter water. After washing, pour over scalp/hair. Rinse with plain water. Neutralizes odor without stripping benefits. Optional. Add vitamin E/A capsule contents if very dry. Do allergy test first. Inner arm, 30 minutes wait. Consult doctor if skin conditions exist. Safety and comfort first.
Thoughtful precautions. What do seniors typically notice first? And how soon?
Most see less shedding in a few weeks. That quiet stability signals support. Then fuller feel, less fragility over months with consistency. 2. 3 times/week. Early wins build trust. Patience allows real renewal.
Encouraging. If you're still here and want to try, comment "I'm in" or share your age/experience. We'll send the full recipe steps. Like if this resonated, subscribe for more gentle senior health tips. Watch the next video. Cued? It's a great follow-up. Thank you, doctor. Stay kind to yourselves. See you next time.